Hey guys, welcome back with me and the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove view only in the Google Sheets. Uh, in the Google Sheets. So in here, if you have this view only mode file because you don't have access into this file and the owner is not you, but you want to edit this file, so here is how you can edit the file or remove the view only. So you just can copy the file to your own Google Drive by going to the file here, and then here click on the make a copy option. Okay, so here you can change the name of the file, and after that just click on make a copy, and the copied version will be open automatically. You can just wait until it's fully opened. Okay, so by copying the file, now you can edit the file, and now the file is not on the view only mode. So if you want to, you can add some changes to this file. For example, I want to add today's date like this, and you can also delete, for example, some information. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.